Hey guys, in the shop this evening, replacing my my visor on my helmet. I, I was riding this thing. We were actually Hatfield McCoy trails. Had this thing covered in dust, and decided to take my gloves and just wipe my whole screen and just scratch the crap out of it. So take a look at this. Yeah, that's beautiful. So ended up buying another one. I think this thing was about 40 bucks. But what I wanted to show you was how to take these things off, how to replace them on this Icon variant. You can take a screwdriver, plastic pry bar, or something like this, pull this little piece out right here, and then slide it this way. Otherwise, you're going to break these tabs off. And yeah. That is what you're looking at there. And now you can take a coin, screwdriver, washer works fine too. It's actually kind of concave there in the inside, so something like this actually works really nice. Screwdriver will work. You just want to make sure that you're not, scratching everything up there, but it does work just fine. Pop these out, throw your new lens on there, and don't wipe your gloves across it. Alright, so pull out on this. You can see that little bracket there. Line your visor up with that bracket, and then you can slip it right out of there. Do that on both sides, and put your new shield on. There we go. Old one out. And we'll put the new one in just the same way that the old one came out. And doesn't that look nice? The rest of my helmet is absolutely filthy, but at least I'll be able to see out of this screen. We'll get that lined up, get it snapped in there. Alright, well, now we got it all lined up. Started our screw in here, tighten these things up, and put our cover back on there. Slide these back in there first. A little easier with two hands. Alright, and we'll snap that back in place, and we're good to go. Thanks for checking us out. Have a good evening.